Today I'm in beautiful Austria. We're literally about 20 kilometers from Germany, 5 kilometers from Switzerland, and Liechtenstein is just over there. We've come to meet with Norbert. He owns a company called Scherrer. This business purchased an Abarmier machine just over a year ago, and we're about to find out about his journey, his story, and why he purchased such a flexible machine tool.
Hello, I am Norbert Scherrer. I'm the founder of the Scherrer CNC company. It's situated here in Feldkirch, Austria, at the border to Switzerland and Liechtenstein and Germany. We make parts for the electronics industries, from the optical industry. We make also parts for cranes, cable liners too, for automotive. We walked to IMO Hanover to look for a new color machine. And there we saw some German machines, some Spain machines, some Italy machines. And Ibermia was different like the other ones. And 1 year ago, we searched for a new machine, and I have a look on the YouTube channel of Ibermia and MTD. And then I saw the new generations of the machine. And so we started to become an offer from Ibermia for the new machine. The technical support from Austria and Germany were here inside our workshop. And I showed them some parts we are making here into the shop, and saw how different the parts are, different materials, different size of the parts, different machining of the parts, different quality of the parts. And so they made an offer for this machine. We are very flexible with this machine. We can make big parts and small parts too on one machine. We can make simple 2.5 axis parts and simultaneous milling with the tilting head and the round table 5 axis parts too. When we have bought the machine at the Ibermia, we wanted the full package of the machine. We wanted a spindle with coolant up to 60 bars. This is very cool for deep drilling. We also make parts by deep drilling up to 400 millimeters. This new machine from Ibermia gives us more flexibility, more security for delivering very different parts to our customers, and we are very flexible and we are faster to produce the parts too.
And as I mentioned at the start of this video, this machine was no standard purchase. So what was different? This ZVH45 is so flexible. You can mill 5-axis machine, turn and more. So it's easy to see why Scherrer wanted this technology in their armoury. An amazing and incredible new tool changer with no less than 224 tools. A brand new Heidenhain TNC7 control. A really heavy duty, rugged, rigid machine with advanced cooling features and filtration. And with the machine's long tilt torque motor, you've got power and speed, total flexibility. And with the machine's whopping 3 meter X-axis, you can do small parts or big parts.
Hello, I'm Lucas Müller. I work here on the Scherrer CNC company. I'm a CNC operator. I work with this Ibermia machine. The main thing we cut is steel, but we also make aluminum parts on this machine. 12,000 RPMs are very good. It's enough for us, and the best thing on the spindle is they have over 200 Newton meters of torque. That's very powerful. You can run big tools, big drilling tools, and that's very good. I like to machine parts with the round table, 5-axis machining. You can machine 5 sides from the part, but you also can make on the left side on the machine 3-axis part, and yeah, that's very comfortable. It's very good for deep hole drilling because you have 60 bar pressure from the coolant. And you can use long tools because you have space on the left side. You can use 800 millimeter long deep hole drills. That's very good for us. I like the tool changer very much because you can put there over 200 tools and you don't have to change the tools, and yeah, it's very comfortable for us. I would like to see another Ibermia machines in this shop because that's a very good machine. and it's powerful. It's exactly that what we need here.
Now what's clear to me after being here is that you can buy a machine without a specific application in mind and still win big. It's all about the mindset, and that mindset is about staying agile, betting bold on technologies, and demand machines that don't just meet the spec, they rewrite it.